Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the colorful world of dahlias. These stunning flowers come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Let's explore 15 incredible dahlia varieties that you can grow in your garden. This is the Bishop of Llandaff, known for its striking dark foliage and bright red blooms. It adds a dramatic contrast to any garden. Next up is Café au lait. These large, creamy beige blooms are perfect for adding elegance to your floral arrangements. Pompon dahlias are small and round, coming in various colors. They create a charming full look that's perfect for borders. This vibrant variety, David Howard, features bright orange and yellow petals that bring warmth to any garden. Check out Thomas Edison. This variety boasts large, deep purple flowers that add a bold touch to your plant collection. Floral is a soft pink variety with a hint of lavender. It's perfect for romantic garden themes. Karma Chalk features dark chocolate-colored foliage and deep red blooms, offering a unique color combination. The Snowball Dahlia is classic. Its white, ball-shaped blooms add elegance to any garden bed. Meet Pen Hill Watermelon. Its pink and yellow blooms are reminiscent of a watermelon slice, making it a fun addition. Bishop's Children offers a vibrant mix of colors, including red, orange, and yellow, bringing cheer to your garden. Blue Bayou stands out with its stunning lavender blue flowers, adding a unique touch to any arrangement. Joey Winnie is a delightful yellow variety, perfect for brightening up sunny spots in your garden. Holly Hill Black Beauty features deep maroon petals that add a touch of drama and elegance. As the name suggests, giant dinnerplate dahlias produce massive blooms, making a bold statement. Last but not least, Gwen's Delight offers soft pink and white blooms, perfect for a romantic touch. Want to grow these beauties in your garden? Here are some quick tips. Plant in full sun for the best blooms. Well-drained soil keeps dahlias happy. Regular deadheading encourages more flowers. Thanks for joining us on this colorful journey through the world of dahlias. Which variety was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.